Hey, if you are using your Sony WF-C500 and you've got this issue that one of your earbud is blinking orange, you can try to perform the hard reset and get all of these default settings back. And if it doesn't help you, all you have to do is just to use the warranty of this device, because there will be like no any other way to fix it. So if you wonder how we can perform the hard reset, first just be sure that you unpair your headphones from the previously connected devices. I was using iPhone, so I have to unpair them from this one. And next you will have to grab both earbuds, and on the both you can find these buttons. So we have to click and hold them. And now when you take a look closely on these indicators, currently they are blinking blue. But when you keep holding them for at least 10 or 15 seconds, they will turn orange. And after this, you will have to release both buttons. As you can see, only the left one is blinking. So that's something wrong with them, because normally both of them are blinking. So let me just release, and we are going to do this one more time. Okay, let's do this one more time right now. So click and hold on the left and the right one. Okay, right now they are together in the pairing mode because they are blinking quickly. And keep holding and wait for the orange light on the both. There we go. Now you have to release, and when this orange is turned on, just click and hold one more time and hold them for like 10 seconds. Now both of the indicators will turn off, just like this, and now we can also release. So that's the easy way to perform the hard reset. Now we can put them back into the charging case, close this case for a few seconds, and now open it back. And now you can just take a look for them, and let's see if they blinks orange. As you can see, in my case they are blue, and as you can see, you can tell me in the comments if this simple method helps you. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.